Alright guys, I received a comment from a friend. He was saying that when extracting a archive file, an error pop-up occur saying could not unzip. The file cannot be opened as an archive or .zip, which is extension, not an archive. So there's could be several reasons for this. So number one, this error could occur due to corrupted archive file. You can simply repair your file and it should solve your problem. What you can do here, first of all, you need to repair your archive file. Just double tap on it once it's pop up. Simply you need to go here into the tool and then repair archive. Now once you click on there, there's two options: treat the corrupted archive as RAR format, and the second one is zip. Now the thing is, you can go with the second one, but depends on the file format. Like suppose, let me show you first. Now this one is, if you go into the properties, you can see the extension is .rar. So you can go with RAR. Otherwise, if it's a zip version, then you can go with the zip version. Now simply click on that, go into the tool, repair archive, and then you will see here the treat the corrupted archive as RAR format, and the second one is zip. We will go with this one. Even though you can go with this one, this will work same as the upper one, but it's better to go the same version. You are repairing the same file with the same format. So yes, choose this one, and also you can choose the other destination for this. You can go somewhere like documents and then select and then click on OK. That's it. Your file is repaired. Now simply you can go into the folder where you just repair and extract the file. You will get here rebuild archive. Now hopefully it will solve your issue. Some other reasons may be occur. Make sure you have enough space in your drive. Sometimes if the zip or .rar file is around 10 MB, to make sure you have double space in your C drive, like 20 MB free space. And the step number 3, make sure update your extractor application. If you are using winrar or unzip, whatever the application you are using, make sure update to the latest version. And the number 4, you can use any other extractor, like you are extracting zip file, so you can use winrar application or zip extractor or even power ISO tool for extraction. I hope you liked today's video. If you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment sections. As you guys know, we are working on your suggested topics, so feel free to ask in the comment sections. Have a good day. Bye bye.